All right, now I think you need to know who am I. My name is Somadip De. My short name is Deep, and currently I'm working as a senior solutions architect in the data and AI space in one of the MAANG companies. I cannot name it for obvious reasons, but I think you can get it from my LinkedIn profile. Earlier to this company, I had worked in Amazon in AWS itself as a senior specialist architect on data and AI. I have a total of 22 years of experience and I've been working in the data space for almost 12 years now. And all the projects that you see, the hands-on, etc., I've created the dataset and I've created the project using these experiences. And I've worked on a lot of diversified customers, especially in AWS and currently in one of the MAANG companies. So I have tried to put those experience into the project and the hands-on. And the technologies that I know, these are the main data technologies that I have worked on, and I'm still working on it. I'm completely hands-on. I'm not a manager, by the way. I'm a senior solutions architect wherein I have to do hands-on also. And these are the technologies that I have learned over a period of time, and I'm currently using these technologies also. And that's why I'll see my courses are based on these. And along with this, obviously, I'm learning GenAI now. I'm not an expert in GenAI. In fact, I'm not an expert in data also, but I'm trying to become a little bit more familiar with GenAI. And when the market settles, I'll launch courses on GenAI also. But that would not be a complete course. I'll break it down to individual pieces, which pieces are important. So these are the technologies that I have worked on, and these are the certifications that I have done. Actually, there are a few more that I forgot to add, but these are the certifications that I have done over a period of, I think, 5 years, or for the last 5 years. The recent 6 certifications that you see, I've done it in the last 5 months. And I have another 3 certifications planned in the next few months. I do a lot of certification actually, and that is part of my goal also in my job. I need to do certifications. So that's why, should you do certification or not? The answer is yes, you should do certification. It's okay if you use dump. Maybe you have to do certification really well. I do not recommend using dump as much. It's better that you perform hands-on, know the technology or know the platform and the tools, then only you should sit for the certification exam. Now, after completing this course, you should be able to clear the professional certification, the Databricks Certified Data Engineer Professional. Now, one call out which is pretty important is that this course is not only for certification. This is an end-to-end course where you'll be mastering Databricks. It is not mastering Databricks certification, it is mastering Databricks itself. Even though I'm emphasizing on certification, the course is going to cover the Databricks from level 100 to level 400, which is fundamental to industry expertise. And this course will not only cover the professional certification, it will also cover the data engineer associate certification. So you can give both the exams. And I have certification dump questions also at the end. And this is available only in the website, not in the learning platforms. So if you enroll using my website, you'll get the certification dump questions. And from here, you can expect anywhere from 50 to 60% of exam questions. And it is minimum, by the way, right? It would be 70 to 80%. And if you use the dump, you can guarantee yourself that you'll be clearing the certification. I do not recommend it, but still, a lot of people ask for dump. So that's why I thought maybe I put the questions here and you'll get a sense of how the questions will come. Again, this is only available in the website. So that's all about the course and the introduction. So let's start the learning journey. Thank you so much for your interest.